So DTI, debt to income ratio, is one of the hugely important factors when we qualify a borrower. Real simple. I'm going to use simple numerics to make you understand DTI. If you make $120,000 a year, that is a gross monthly income of $10,000. We all understand that? Right. On average, and this is why you cannot answer this question as a realtor because this is a bit specific to the type of loan they take. But however, on average, using a law of averages, we can use as mortgage lenders 50% of someone's gross income to qualify them for a mortgage. So if we make $10,000 a month gross income in the house, we can spend $5,000 in bills. Is that simple? So if we make $10,000 a month, we can spend $5,000 in bills. What does that $5,000 include? Everything on their credit, including the mortgage they're about to take. Not a question you got to get real deep in. It's not a question you have to have answers. It's okay to say, that is a very high-level question, Mr. or Mrs. Borrower. I think you should speak to my mortgage friends.
Homebuyer Learning Center. Everyone gets a house.